Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix FNAF Security Breach crashing issue. So for the first method, you need to go to the Windows taskbar and right click on any empty space. After that, select Task Manager. Now in the search, look for the launcher that you have the game on, like Steam. If you do find it running, make sure to select it, right click and select in task. Now you can try relaunch and see if the problem is gone. The next method, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. You should see this NVIDIA app appearing. If you don't for some reason, make sure you have an NVIDIA graphics card. Otherwise, you should go to the official website, download the app from there, install it, and then come back here. Now when it opens, you should log in with the right credentials. After that, go to the left menu and select drivers and select the install or download button appearing. It depends on your case. Once done, you should follow up with the process in order to update your graphics card driver. Next, go to the settings, and then you need to make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay to prevent any error happening. Now for the next method, go to the search and type in device manager. This window will pop up, so all you need to do is to look for the display adapters, open this side arrow. After that, look for your graphics cards. Do not select the integrated one, so select this one, either NVIDIA or AMD. Right click and select update driver. After that, click on search automatically for drivers and click close. Now for the next method, you need to go to the Windows taskbar. As you can see this upside arrow, you need to click it, look for the launcher that you have the game on, right click if you do find it appearing. After that, select exit. Wait for a couple of moments. After that, go relaunch the launcher once again. Now it will be redirected to the store, so go to library and then select collections. After that, in the left menu, search for Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. You need to select the game. After that, in the right you will find this gear icon appearing, so click on it. After that, click on properties. Now all you have to do is to go to launch options and type in this command -dx11. Next, go to installed files in the left menu and select verify integrity of game files. That way the corrupted or missing files that are possibly causing the issue will be automatically corrected and fixed. So make sure to wait for the process to finish and then make sure to close everything. Now before relaunching the game to check if the problem is gone, I really recommend going to the Windows icon right here and then restart your computer, and that's it. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.